I'm Marissa Harrison. I became interested in robotics after watching a friend's first aid competition. My family looked at many local robotics and Virus was the perfect one for me. They provide a strong community between both homeschool students such as myself and other schools. Now I act as my team's programmer and I operate the arm during our competitions.
Hi, my name is Tessa Garlicky. I've always been interested in building robots, but never saw the opportunity to do so until Marissa invited me to a robotics competition. I later met Mr. Demaray, the Virus team coordinator, and joined their middle school team. I currently enjoy all aspects of the build, especially wiring. I also drive and set up the robot for competitions. My favorite part about being involved with VEX is that I now have the problem-solving skills to take on challenges I'm put up against.
This is our second season of VEX involvement, and we not only compete but also do promotional events as members of Team Virus, including hosting a table at the local Monroe County Community Fair. For this event, we built a practice robot to both improve our building skills between seasons and promote STEM.
At the start of the season, we were members of Virus's integrated middle school VEX team, but we later split into boys and girls groups. Our new team kept the drive base of the original robot, while Sam, now on Team 3547C, kept the arm.
This specific gauge drive ended up being too large, inhibiting the robot's maneuverability around the Skyrise tower. After reducing the size of our drive, we added encoders to the mid and front wheel motors. These encoders improve the quality of our autonomous programming.
Initially, our integrated team utilized a double 6-bar arm, but after our group split, we decided to explore an elevator lift. This design's linear motion allowed us to increase the velocity at which we could build our Skyrise tower. At its earliest conception, this lift had 3 segments, some steel components, and was driven by 2 motors. The new redesign includes 4 segments, allowing us to build a full Skyrise tower. We also switched all arm materials to aluminum, reducing its weight. Finally, we include 4 decoupled motors, 2 on top, 2 on bottom, equally distributing the work in the arm and maintaining proper torque. Our arm is driven by a continuous chain. We favored this use of chain after observing that other teams' cascade chain designs would break during competitions. Throughout this season, our goal has been to introduce incremental improvements to our robot between matches. After our success at states, we wanted to expand our robot skills by adding the ability to score multiple game pieces at once. Through research, we found other teams utilizing cube claws that allowed them to do just that. After many tests, we settled on a passive claw design that allows us to carry and score both Skyrise segments and cubes simultaneously. In testing, this passive clause allowed our team to build a full Skyrise tower with 7 cubes within the game time frame. We will be premiering this new feature at a Worlds competition.
Originally, our arm's drive axle was drag-driven from the motors, but this inhibited us from completing a Skyrise tower within the time constraints of a match. Now our motors are installed with standard VEX eternal high-speed gears, and we use a 1-to-3 gear ratio. This combination allows us enough speed to build a full Skyrise tower while also giving us enough torque to lift cubes to the high post without stalling.
We have gradually improved our autonomous programming throughout the season. What began as a simple 1-point program is now a full 15-second 12-point sequence. Additionally, we have multiple autonomous programs that are dynamically designed to suit the strengths of our alliance partner's robot. We also utilize jumpers to instantaneously switch between our various autonomous programs, giving us more versatility in competition.
Throughout the competitive season, we make continuous efforts to improve both our robot and our competitive techniques. From this video, you have seen many examples of the design improvements made this season. Now what we are working on is learning how to best select alliance partners that complement our abilities in the wing.